Here we have all the names for the entrants for the per gear lens giveaways. So we have the 35mm f1.6 and the 50mm f1.8 APS-C lenses that I reviewed, a month and a bit ago. So we've got two giveaways, which we will get onto in a moment. But first, the big news. And you might have noticed it's a little bit echoey in here. That's because, welcome to Shay's studio. Okay, it's more like Shay's shithole at the moment. But yes, we've finally got moved to the new house. We got the keys about a week ago. But pretty much this last week and a half has consisted of decorating. One Norwich Football Club themed bedroom for one young lad. It's his dad's fault. If it was up to me, he'd be a Liverpool supporter. And one princessy themed room, complete with a homemade princess bed. And various other rooms, etc. And there's still plenty more to go. But now, next up on my list is tackling all this and making it into something of a studio. So before we get on to the giveaway, let me give you a little tour of the room. So we have ceiling, wall, 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 and another wall. That's pretty much it. I'm having trouble envisaging how to make best use of the space. So no doubt this is going to be, I'll decorate it now and then in 6 months' time I'll change a load of it. But I'll run you through what the approximate plan is so far and how everything should lay out. So that wall at the moment, which is currently a bloody eyesore. Look at this, right? But seriously, what were people thinking when they put this shit up? It's all London themed and they filtered just the red. Too cliche for my bloody liking. So that is going. Now you can ignore that and all that palaver down there. That is our old Calyx unit, the IKEA Calyx units from the old house. I was going to have that as like a shelving unit where I'll put all the lenses on or something. And in trying to move it up here, it collapsed into various pieces. So that's going to be going in the bin. However, downstairs I do have a solid wooden countertop, which I think I'm going to have kind of along this wall here maybe. And then I can't wait to try this out. Flexi Spot have sent me a motorized height adjustable desk. So that's the top for it, and that is the base unit for it down there, and that is a dog. So I'm thinking I'll maybe have that like along here. Now I'm torn at this point, to be honest, between putting my computer somewhere within this slot and kind of just basing myself here, or getting another desk and putting it over in that corner out the way and having this as a kind of more clear open space for doing various things. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. Now the ceiling and walls are all white. So I'm going to keep the ceiling that colour, but I think white walls might be too reflective. I want something that's maybe a little bit darker just so I can control the light a little bit better. So I bought some grey coloured paint. So I'm just thinking, wanted to try and keep it as neutral as possible, again, to not have a load of colour cast. Big cupboard in here, which is just going to be, already is, a load of random photography gear, and some of this stuff all on the floor is going to end up there. I'm no doubt some of it will end up like underneath the shelving unit. Probably get some of my photos printed out, maybe put on the walls. I've got an idea for those, which I'm not telling about yet. Blinds I'm going to change to probably, I want like proper blackouts, ones that are on a runner, so I can completely kill the light in here. Curtain rails I've no use for, so they'll be going. So that is the tour so far. That's going to be kind of this next probably week or so, I think, is going to be getting most of this done. And then hopefully once it's in a bit more of a built-up state, so it's not just a complete mess like this, and I've got some soundproofing going, I can start kind of rolling out the videos as well. In terms of what videos are going to be coming up, I've got a few topics already in mind, a few things. videos that I want to get made, but I just obviously need some space to do them in. The FlexiSpot desk is going to be getting a review video as well. And I've got a few other things as well that I'm currently trying out and testing that I'll be reviewing as well. But let's get on to what you've all been waiting for, which are the giveaways. Obviously, it was the one where you put either prize draw 50 or prize draw 35, depending on whether you wanted to be in with a chance of winning the Pergear 50mm lens or their 35mm lens. And honestly, I was blown away with how many people entered. We've had 55 people enter for the 50mm lens and 82 enter for the 35mm lens. Now the way I'm going to do this, same way as I always do, fairest possible way here, at random. So here I have the names of the 55 entrants for the 50mm giveaway. And on my phone, I have a random number generator app that's just selected here pick a number between 1 and 55. And the number is 22. So number 22 on the list is Boo Boo Labugoth. I've absolutely no idea. But you, sir, or madam, are the winner of the Pergear 50mm f1.8 lens. Now let's get the 35mm done. So same again, except this time it's between 1 and 82. And the winner is number 26. And number 26 is Andrew Kirkby. Congratulations to both winners, in fact. As I said in the original video, these lenses aren't coming direct from me, they're coming from Pergear. But if you get a message over to me, either hit me up on Instagram, the link to my Instagram's down below, or I'm pretty sure my email address is on my YouTube channel page. But if you just get a message over to me, and we can sort the details out for getting Pergear to send those lenses to you in whichever amount you desire. So that's it for this video, guys. Big congratulations again to both winners there. Hopefully I will be able to do some more giveaways in the not too distant future, and I am going to be organising some more photo competitions with prizes for my Patreon followers. So if you're interested in joining up for those, you can check out my Patreon account down below. It's $5 a month to be a part of it, helps support the channel, and like I said, you can maybe win some more prizes there. But as for this, I am about to go and crack on with stripping some wallpaper and painting some walls. But that's it for this video, guys. As always, if you have any questions or queries, comment box is down below. While you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.